Right, let's talk about HSS, or high speed sync. Now, simply put, this is a way to use the equipment to get around the limitations of the camera's maximum syncing shutter speed. As we've discussed before in Sync Basics, if you set your shutter higher than a 200th or 250th of a second, depending on the camera model, you'll get banding that's created from the camera's shutter going out of sync with the lighting. So in order to access high-speed sync, we need the camera, the remote, and the lighting working all together to achieve this result. Right, so I've set up this little experiment to try and demonstrate high-speed sync. Over here I have my subject, and I want to be shooting at 5.6 so I can get a nice low depth of field. Right, so according to that I need to set my shutter to a 500th of a second. Okay, so I'm getting the low depth of field that I want. Everything looks good, but I'd like to just have a little fill in. So I'm going to use a flash just to pop in a little bit of fill. Turning on my remote and keeping it in the standard sync setup. Now, because I'm shooting at a 500th of a second, the light is not syncing well with my camera, so I'm getting a graduated fade of the light. I'm now going to turn on high-speed sync mode, and automatically this Fuji camera will sync with the flash at the higher shutter speeds. Right, that's the result I want. I've got a low depth of field, ambient lighting, and a little pop of flash to fill in the front. I hope that little demonstration helps to inform you about high-speed sync. Please bear in mind that each remote has a different way to set up with each camera. Please see our other tutorials for that information.